Hello everyone. Is it possible for my object to use two different classes? Well, the answer is yes. How is that? We have to use inheritance. So in this tutorial video, I will discuss inheritance. But before that, please support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and hit also the notification bell so that you will be notified with all the new videos that I'm going to upload in this channel. And so basically, when we say inheritance, it allows the use of attributes and methods from one class to another class. It means if I have two classes, I can use both of those classes using my object or when I create an object. So my object can use those classes. So we have to use inheritance. In inheritance, we will have this what we call superclass and the subclass. So for instance, in this image here, we have here class A and class B. If I want to use or if I want to extend my class B to use methods and attributes or properties of class A, I just need to extend it. So I just have to use extends. In this case, class B will become the subclass or the child class, and class A or A will be the superclass. This is how Java will interpret this code here. Public class B extends A. Alright, so superclass is the class being inherited, while the subclass is the class that inherits from another class. So meaning to say, in this case, all the methods of class A, all the attributes of class A, and the class B, all its method and its attributes can be used by our object now when we have or when we create an object. As simple as that. That is the simplest or the simple way to discuss inheritance. Now, how do we do this? I have here 4 Java program, one of which is my Java main class. Here I have eraser class, then pencil class, and pen class. So meaning to say I have 3 class and 1 Java main program. Now, I have a video that discussed about Java, class, and objects, how to create those. If you will visit our channel, www.youtube.com/@clearly-discussed, you will see there all the videos that I uploaded using the Java language. So you might be interested, or I'm sure you will be interested in getting to know what is a Java class and objects, Java methods, and encapsulation as well. So you have to understand these topics first so that you will have a better understanding of what is inheritance. So I suggest that you have to watch these videos first before going into this new topic, inheritance. I also have some videos regarding Python programming and XML programming. So if you would like to visit this site, again, once again, this site is at Clearly Discussed, www.youtube.com/@clearly-discussed. Let's go back to our topic. If I will create an object, let's create an object eraser. Right, I'm going to use my eraser class. Let's say I'm going to say object1 is equal to new eraser. This means that my object can only use the eraser class. Meaning to say, I cannot use pencil class or the attributes of the pencil class. Right? Attributes and methods of the pencil class. So for example, I want to use the setter of pencil class, the setter methods. So let's say set band. I'm going to use that one. It's not possible because my object will only use eraser class. Okay, so that is the limit of it. I can only use eraser class. Now, like I said, we can use two class at the same time using our object. Okay, so in this case, we have already an object. All I need to do if I want to use, let's say for example, my eraser class and my Java or my pencil class. If I want to use also the pencil class, all I need to do is to extends pencil. So I just have to extend my class. It will extend to pencil, meaning to say it will inherit pencil. So meaning to say, when you have this, it means I can now use both class. I can use the attributes of eraser and its methods, including I can now this time use also the attributes of pencil as well as its methods. So that is the meaning of extends. This is what we call inheritance. It allows the use of attributes and methods from one class to another class. So basically, you're extending it. So something like that. And so this time, if I will continue now here in my Java main class, obj1, that can I use now the set band or set brand? Yes, I can now. It's now visible. Okay, so it means I can use it now. Okay, so something like that. So it's very easy now for us to use both class. Okay, so for example, I want to set obj1 that set brand. Let's say I'm going to say here, okay, Bic. That's the name of the brand for the pencil. Okay, so it's like this. Can I also use the set ename? No, I'm going to use the set ename of eraser. Is that possible? Let's see. Object 1 that set ename. So it's possible. Okay, so all I need to do is to let's say ABC. That's the name of my ename. Alright, so that's the ename value. Okay, so you see this coming from pencil, this one is coming from eraser. So it's possible. So this is how inheritance works in Java programming. Of course, you can use also other methods. No? Actually, these are already methods. So you can also use other methods that you define here in eraser as well as here in pencil. So once again, what happens here is that eraser is the subclass or the child class, and pencil is the parent class. So that's how it is. Now, for instance, you have another one. So you have three class. So I have here eraser extends to pencil. I have here pencil, and then I have another pen. Can I use pen as well at this time? No, right now. Right now, no. Because we are only, or we only extended up to pencil. Okay, so that is what happened. Now, if I want to extend also to the pen, one solution is I'm going to the pencil class and I will just extend there. Okay, extends pen. So that's how it is. I'm going to save now. There you go. So I'm going to save everything. Let's see now if I can use, let's say in the pen, I will use set pen. I'm going to set a new pen or pen name. So obj1 dot set and p name. No? So here it is. So it is p name. So there you go, p name. It is here. So double click that and I will just say, let's say pen name, for example, is Reynolds. Let's say Reynolds. There you go. So it's possible. So what happened is that from eraser we extends to pencil, and from pencil we extends to pen. So meaning to say, all of my Java class I can use now within my object. Okay, so within the defined object, which is obj1. So that's how we use inheritance, just to extend. Okay, so because it's not possible to use multiple class, but it is possible using inheritance. I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you very much for watching and see you on my next one.